Alright guys, today we're going to be talking about rock lights, and it's not really going to be an install video because that would just take hours of showing you exactly how I do it. I have run across a brand, been seeing it all over Instagram about it, but it's called Who Run It Lighting. Now his kit is supposed to come with however many lights that you order from him and all the materials that you need to run the lighting yourself, so that way you don't have to go to a store and get anything. He's supposed to have everything in this kit. He charged a little bit. It's a little bit more to get it, but from what I hear it's worth it because you don't have to run around and get the wires or screws or anything like that. It's already in the box whenever you get it. So I figured we'd just do a quick little unbox video of everything that's inside the box that we have here. I ordered a 12 kit for a 2020 High Country that we're building. He already had 8 lights, so we're gonna have to add 8 lights to this kit, which I let him know whenever I ordered it. He said that was no problem. So we're just gonna see what's inside the kit. So let's check it out. Alright guys, let's open up the box and just see what's all inside with my kitchen knife. So we got some wire here. Looks like some what is this? Doesn't say, but it's wrapped up in 2-strand wire in a black line, some stickers, instructions on how to wire them up, or koozie, fuse, heat shrink, zip ties, lights, light protectors. Alright guys, after unboxing it, this box had come apart inside, so I just cleaned it all up and got everything kind of spread out so that way you can look at everything. But it comes with the light protectors for up underneath the lights. You got all the lights here, got the wire here, which looks like 50 foot almost, zip ties, heat shrink, a fuse for the battery, and a switch, and then all your butt connectors and connectors for the switch, also screws for each light, or I guess that one might be for like if you're mounting them to the frame and stuff, because they do come with bolts, and we do use these bolts on the fender flares. So pretty much everything is here that you would need to run these lights. In the past, this is my first time using them, which I'm going to use on that High Country. I'll probably show some pictures of them after they're installed on the truck with the lift kit that we're doing. But so far this has probably been the best kit that you could buy that has everything, so that way you don't have to go around and get everything else. Now there is a few things that I will add to the kit just because I'm used to doing it another way, but this eliminates 95% of the problems that I have, definitely when they want so many. But I just wanted to kind of show you how his kit comes, and if you want to go follow them on Instagram and then go follow us on Instagram to see all the builds that we're doing. That was pretty much it for the unbox video. All this stuff is really nice, and from what I've seen on his Instagram and everything, a lot of people are running them. He's starting to get pretty big, and they look pretty bright. They're about equal to what I was using, but with this kit coming with everything, it just takes a lot of the hassle out of it. So I just want to show you this. Maybe we'll post some pictures of this truck that we're going to be putting these on later. The truck's supposed to be delivered today. We got a 7 to 9 inch lift kit, or FTS, powder coated red, to put on it. Rock lights, traction bars, all Fox shocks, Kryptonite upper control arms, and I swear there was something else. I know he's got a set of amp steps on order, and so it's gonna be a pretty big build, and he's leaving on 26 by 14 or 16 Forgiatos on 37. So it's gonna be a pretty awesome build, and to definitely be showing everything off with these lights is gonna be a plus. So hopefully we got some pictures of it at the end of the video. If you like this video, want to see more unboxed videos of different stuff like this, leave a comment, like, subscribe, go follow us on Instagram, Snapchat, go follow Who Run It Lighting on Instagram too, and y'all have a good day.